English Step by Step, First Conditional, Step 2. Remember, click like, subscribe, or you can request a lesson below. So, in this Step 2 video, you'll see and try a practice exercise. So make sure you've watched the Step 1 video first. So here's the practice exercise. Complete the sentences below. Choose the correct pair of verbs from the list and change them, if necessary, into the correct form. Some of the verbs are negative, and for some of the sentences you can use can, may or might instead of will. So here are the pairs of verbs: be, go, do, have, feel, take. Now this one is negative, miss, not hurry, and this one is also negative, stay and not feel. For example, number 1, if you something ill, something this medicine. Now for this one, you should use feel and take, and that becomes if you feel ill, take this medicine. And in this case, you don't have to change the form of the verb. So, do all the other ones by choosing the pair of verbs that you need and deciding if it should be negative. Now, I'm going to leave these 9 sentences on the screen for 1 minute. You can write down the answers and then you can move on to the Step 3 video in which I'll talk through and explain the answers.